Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mark Johnson come back at you with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you a viral video that I uploaded 7 years ago. Now this video got 12.6 million views. It's just a video of me showing and making a little slingshot. I uploaded it to YouTube and it got 12.6 million views over the last 7 years. And it is still making me a steady stream of income today. I'm going to show you exactly how much it made over the whole 7 years, 12.6 million views. And I'm going to show you how much it's still making to this day. Now guys, one quick thing is you got to remember I've uploaded hundreds of videos to YouTube and they don't all do that well. So, you know, this is 1 in 100 that actually got this amount of views, and I don't want you to look at this as like a sort of a cocky remark, this video made me so much money. Like, it's not meant to be like that. I feel like you guys would be genuinely interested in like the analytics behind this video and how much a viral video makes. So that's why I'm showing you this today. All right, without further ado, let us hop into the computer and I'll show you the analytics. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'll play the video right here. It's simply me making this slingshot weapon thing out of PVC. I do not know how this video did not get demonetized. It seems to be the only one on my old channel that didn't get demonetized, so I got pretty lucky with this. It's just a PVC slingshot, as you can see. I made it in the shed, it was easy to make, and it was a new idea, and I think that's why it went viral over other videos, because no one had thought of making something like this before out of simply PVC. So that's why it went viral, and it's just me making it and shooting it a couple of times. Pretty cool video. You know what boys get up to when they're that age, crazy stuff like that. So it was appealing to me. I made one and then I thought I'd make a YouTube video on it, and I uploaded it, and this is the result. Okay guys, so as you can see, in the last 28 days from this date, it has made $286. That is pretty insane considering I uploaded that 7 years ago, and it is still making almost $300 a month to this day. That is insane. As you can see, it got 283,000 views in the last 28 days. And you may be thinking, well, if it got that many views, shouldn't it have made more money? Well, actually no, because you see, with that kind of video, a slingshot video, it's not a very monetizable video. Like, advertisers would much rather pay to put their ads on a finance channel's video or something along those lines, rather than a kid making a slingshot and shooting it in his backyard. However, that is why the finance channels get such high CPMs. So for 283,000 views on a finance channel, you might find it made anywhere from $2,000 to maybe even $5,000. Whereas this one only made $286, roughly $1 per 1,000 views. Okay guys, so now for the big one. The lifetime this video has been up, it has made a whopping $9,596. That's $10,000 for one YouTube video that I made when I was back in the day, when I was like 14 years old, making slingshots in the backyard. Took me an afternoon to make and upload to YouTube, and because it was a new idea, it went viral. And as you can see, that one video has made $10,000 over the years. That is pretty insane for something a 14-year-old kid did in his backyard, you know, just playing around and having fun. So there is a pretty big potential here with YouTube. If you have any kind of new ideas that you want to share, you never know. You might as well learn to video edit and upload to YouTube, and who knows what could happen. You could get a viral video like this and you make bank. Let's also have a look at the other analytics here. So it got 12.6 million views, and with that 12.6 million views, as you can see, it made the $10,000, but it also got 30,000 subscribers. That is a ton of subscribers. The watch time was 716,000 hours. That is crazy. And you can see over the years it's had its bumps up and down, up and down, up and down. It tends to just go viral and then down and viral and viral. It's been consistently making money for the last 7 years. So take that how you will. I hope that inspires you guys to get uploading to YouTube, to make your own channel, because it is worth it. You know, there's a big payoff if you do get that viral video. This is one of my videos that has gone viral. If you want me to show you a couple more, the analytics behind them, I'm more than happy to do that. Just let me know in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know any more video ideas that you got. I'll catch you in the next one.